Hi guys, welcome to tutorial raise, and this is the question section. So the first question, all questions are compulsory. Use input for entering value. First question is enter two numbers and find which is greater. The second question is enter three numbers and find which is greater. In this you have to use if and elif and else. And the third one is you went to Big Bazaar and offer announcement was like this: if you buy 5 items and total amount is greater than 10,000, then they will provide you 10% discount. If you buy 5 items and total amount is greater than 5,000, then they will provide you 5% discount. If you buy 3 items and total amount is greater than 3,000, in that case you will be provided 3% discount, or else there will be no discount. And the fourth question is enter 5 subject marks and find total, percentage, and also grade. The grade will be like this: if marks is greater than 90, then grade A; greater than 80, then grade B; and greater than 70, in that case grade C, or grade 50, or else pass. Enter any number and find whether the number is odd or even. So these are 5 questions. In total marks is 25. So hope you solve this question. Thanks for watching.